Construct a building with the help of a computer? Yes, you can, because computers are especially good at processing algorithms. In other words, they can precisely follow a set of instructions. Coding Architect shows how algorithms can be used to build houses, bridges, towers, and lots more besides. For Game Variation 1, you will need the game board with the coordinates fields, the place code template cards, and all of the blocks. The place codes have 3 different levels of difficulty, recognizable with the colors green, yellow, and red around the border. The blocks you need and their coordinates are illustrated on the cards. The coordinates refer to the game board and indicate where the blocks need to be placed on the board. On the place code, the first turquoise numbers before the comma indicate the coordinates on the x-axis. In example, horizontally from left to right, and the yellow numbers after the comma to those on the y-axis. In example, vertically from top to bottom. It's important to follow the directions of the blocks indicated on the cards. The code is read and deciphered from left to right and line by line. The first block is placed in the direction shown on the card onto the correct field on the game board. Do the same with all the blocks until the building is fully constructed. If the coordinates field already contains a block, simply place the next one on top of it to build upwards. The solution and example what the finished building should look like is on the back of the code card.
Check if everything has been built correctly.
In Game Variation 2, the roles are reversed. The child becomes the architect and then the programmer by constructing a building and then programming the codes required for the building's blueprint. The game is basically played in the reverse order. For this game variation, you will need all the blocks, the game board, and the tablet, as well as all the coding cards. One player, in example the architect, uses the blocks to construct a building on the game board. He then looks carefully to see which block is on which coordinate, making sure to check the shape, color, and direction of each block. He then places the corresponding block cards and coordinates cards in pairs on the tablet, by first placing the block card and then the coordinates card next to it on the right. Follow the sequence exactly for each coordinate and each block, proceeding line by line from left to right. Continue like this until the code is complete on the tablet. The building can then be dismantled, and another player is given the tablet to try and crack the code and correctly construct the building.